Good morning, I'm Aaron Paul E. Constantino, galing or representative of the Department of Agriculture, National Urban and Peri-Urban Agriculture Program Central Office. So nandito kami sa SVD Farm and nag-conduct ng monitoring. It was a nice experience. So madami kaming na-observe na mga best practices na pwede nating ma-replicate sa iba't ibang farms, and actually kumuha din kami ng mga recommendations based from those practices na pwede nating mai-share and relay sa iba't ibang mga i-visit pa namin ng mga farms. So nakita namin yung interventions ng Department of Agriculture na well-utilized and well-organized sila sa mga farm operations. So I hope na pagpatuloy nila yung ginagawa nilang mga best practices, kasi very full yung potential nitong farm. So good job SVD Farm, and thank you for the warm welcome.
Nga pala si Rolando Bimago ng Department of Agriculture, Tagaytay City Local Government. Andito ako ngayon para i-assist ang nag-validate na taga-region with the banner of INUPAP. And ngayong araw naman na to, ako'y natutuwa kasi the assessment of the Laudato Si Farm is fully assisted and malinaw lahat ng information na dineliver for the visitors.